No way.
What? It might be, I don't know, it might be springtime. You do this full time, right? Are you gonna be available in spring?
Yes, I do this full time, so I'm here anytime you need me, call whenever.
Perfect, Zach. Yeah, I have your number here saved, so definitely I'll be in touch, yeah.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye. Let's go. Okay, I'm currently on site at the location where I dropped off the beams last night. And I'm currently getting some holes drilled, 2 holes drilled in every single beam. Got a massive bit here. And the idea is that we'll take this piece of rebar, and once we have our beams in place, we'll simply insert the rebar into the holes and drive it home with this hammer. And hopefully that'll help to reduce the movement on the beams and keep them sturdy while the kids are walking on them. Let's keep moving. Get as close as you can to that beam. 3, 2, 1. Yes, perfect. I have to go to the other one. Alright, 3, 2, 1, drop. Okay. 3, 2, 1, drop. Alright. Here's what's happening. So we've gotten a large majority of the border set in place. Dylan's got the circular saw because we got to cut one of these beams in half. But things are looking really, really good. This entire area is going to be filled with mulch. So this is the beam we're cutting in half. You can see we've butted up right against the stairs there. We've come this way. It all looks pretty good. So once it's filled with mulch, I mean, this is going to be looking amazing. So we're just going to take this guy, set it up on some sawhorses here, and make the cut. We're going to have to use a square, mark the line all the way around on every single side. And because it's 5.5 inches and we get 3-inch cut, it'll eventually make our way through. Let's go. Call it work.
Grabbing this and one of the curtains.
Okay, there's our cut. Here's our cut. Let's make it here.
You need me to hold anything?
Just that.
Just the GoPro?
Yeah.
And this?
Wow, that is so thick. We're gonna have to go thinner passes here. Unreal.
That was a vet move by taking the battery out before moving that.
That was a what?
A vet move.
A vent?
A vet.
What's that?
A veteran move.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Duh.
Because it's impossible for that thing to turn on right now.
Why not? Okay, so there's one. So we'll do that same thing all the way around on all 4 sides, and that'll get us through the entire piece. No way!
What?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Check this out. Shananai.
He just shattered it. No chance.
Oh my god. It's still holding
Pretty
this.
clean cut.
Yeah, it's pretty good. That's really good actually, yeah. Wow. Okay, well let's get the section put into place. Oh my god.
Oh my, whoa.
This is what's happening at every single tie. You have a 1 foot piece of rebar here with a hole. Get everything straightened out.
Well, this looks good.
Oh, okay, so here's what's going on. This long piece here that Dylan's measuring was the cutoff from that corner piece over there. And I want to make sure we can get it all squared off because it looks so much better when it's squared off. And it looks like it's going to be the perfect amount.
So it depends how much we take off. Like, so 20.
Well, we'll get it squared up like
more.
close enough.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We'll get it as close as we can possibly get it for it to be squared off so we don't have to get any more material. Like that looks square. And what is that?
That's 20 inches.
Okay.
So it'd be here.
Yeah.
Which is pretty.
It's pretty close. I mean, we'll be fine.
Worst case scenario, we just move everything here up an inch.
Bingo bango.
Bingo bango bongos. Papa. I feel like I'm losing power by sitting down.
And stand up. Oh, good start.
You know, so you want to get small baby taps in because you want to make sure it's in before you start hammering away. So let's just make sure it's in there. And then
That's pretty good. And Dylan with the honors, he fits in the last remaining piece. Unreal.
that's not bad.
And that squares it off. Dude, that is just sensational.
Oh, this is my backyard in a few years.
Oh my god.
And just like that. Whoops.
Dude, that's amazing. Wow. That is awesome. Should we put down some mulch? You want
Sure.
it? I say we just start doing it. That is sensational. Yeah, wow. That is something else. Well, I am about to edit today's video. But I didn't really do an outro, so thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.